Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can upload HTML based website on Hostinger. I made many video tutorials on this topic, but this time I'm going to show you how you can upload and also connect the domain and hosting. Let's say I have a hosting with Hostinger and I have a domain with GoDaddy. So how you can connect that? So step number 1, we need to connect that. Step number 2, we need to upload the website. So let's get started how we can upload and connect the website. So I go to GoDaddy and this is my domain name sakidesignstudio.com, and I have hosting with Hostinger. Step number 1, you need to connect the domain name. So I already connected the domain with Hostinger, but I'm going to show you from scratch how you can do that. Click to website, and first of all you need to log in the account, right? Click to create or migrate a website, click to others and skip this one section. Inside there you need to select use an existing domain. Inside there you need to add the domain. I already connected this one domain, so I don't need to use this one domain, but I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's say I will add the ndio.org. So let's say this is my domain. Click to continue. Once you do that, then you will get this one DNS1 and DNS2. You need to get the domain name servers like this one. I'm going to copy that, and I have a domain like Saki Design Studio. So I need to connect that. So you need to go on the main page of the GoDaddy, and I'm going to show you from click to the particular domain name that you want to connect that, and then you need to select the manage domain setting in the right side. As you can see, click on that, and then you need to add the Hostinger domain name server settings. Click to DNS and select the name servers. So here's the domain. So I already connected those domains. So you need to click on change server, and in the first one you need to add the first one, and second one you need to get the second one domain name server and paste down there. Click to save. I don't need to connect that because I already connected that, so I'm going to cancel it, right? Once you've done that, then you will able to use the particular domain inside your Hostinger account, right? So once you connect that, then you will use that to upload the website. So let's say how we can upload the website. So here is my domain. The default domain is like this one. Like this one. This is my domain, but this time you are able to see the default Hostinger landing pages will appear. But I want to upload this one website. So this is my website. I want to upload this one website on this one Hostinger account or this one domain. So you need to go on Hostinger, click to particular domain, or not there. I need to select the website, and we need to select my particular domain like this one. Click to manage, and then you need to select the file manager. And the file manager, you need to upload your website files. So let's see, I'm going to show you the files. So here is my files. The files is appeared inside my HTML folder. So I'm going to show you, right? So this is the page. So I need to select all of the files, right click it and click to zip the folder. So we can upload this one file on my Hostinger account. So where it is here, click to file manager. Okay, this is the file manager. So inside the public underscore HTML you need to open that. So inside this one section you need to upload your website, like about, drag and drop on there. Then you need to wait a couple of seconds. to upload the complete folder inside this one section, then you need to extract that. Once you've done that, then your site will be live on the particular domain. So I need to right click it and extract. I need to select the particular current directory, means okay, I will use public_HTML like there. Okay, here's the files, but I need to move on those files. Just a minute. Move the files inside our main directory. Okay, so let's see. Just a minute, I'm going to remove those files because without public_HTML I don't need all of the files. And inside they have this one folder, right click it and click to extract. So you need to select the public_HTML, this one folder, and click to extract. I'm gonna add the file. Let's say I will use the Saki because I will manage that on later. Right, so and we need to open that, right click it and move the files inside this one, public_HTML. That's perfect. So I remove this one file and also remove the default.php file. Perfect. Let's check it now. When I open this one domain, refresh that, your site is ready now, guys. Right? Very simple way. I repeat the last one section because it is very important. You need to open the file manager. So I think my internet speed is so slow, so I need to so this is my normal site, means static website. That's data coming from my computer, and this is a live server. Right, so this is a domain hosting your account. So you need to click on the file manager. Inside the file manager you need to upload your complete website data, like images, HTML based web files, and many other things you need to upload on this one section. So your site will be live, but I think we need to wait. Then I'm going to show you again. And right, inside the public_HTML you need to upload all of the files, like your images. The images and data is appeared inside this one folder. Let me show you this. Those are images right now, as you can see, and the files, CSS file is appeared inside there. So you need to upload all of the files inside the public_HTML file. So those are files. Once you upload that, then your site will be live. So I hope you understood as well how you can connect the domain and how you can upload your website. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.